how to fix CoinGecko app not working. Hello, welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can fix CoinGecko app not working. So to do this, there are different steps, troubleshooting steps you can carry out to fix this issue. So if you're experiencing issues with the CoinGecko app, the first thing you should try is to restart the app. So you could just close the app this way and then try restarting the app. And if the issue persists, then check out for updates. All right, ensure you're using the latest version of the CoinGecko app. And to do that, go to your Play Store or your App Store or Apple Store, depending on where you got the application from. And once you found your Play Store, in the search box, all right, type CoinGecko, and if there is a recent update on the app at the position where you can see open on my screen, what you would see there is update. Click on it, update the app, and then try restarting the app and it should start working by now. But if after doing all of this it is still not working, the next thing you should try is to clear your phone cache. And to do that, go to your settings. On the settings page, you'll see different options. Scroll down and select apps. Okay, so after selecting apps, you'll be redirected to the page where you see manage apps and all of that. Note that this particular setting is phone specific. Yours might not be arranged this way, but the major thing is for you to locate your CoinGecko detail page this way. Once you're on this page, move to the bottom part of the screen where you would see options like first stop, uninstall, clear data. Click clear data, select clear cache, click OK, and then the cache will be cleared, and then start the app to see if it would start working. If it still doesn't work, then you would have to consider uninstalling and reinstalling the app. So you can just click on the uninstall button at the bottom part of the screen, and then after uninstalling it, go back to your Play Store to reinstall the app again. Okay, so once you've tried all of this and no solution yet, then one final step you should try before contacting the customer support is to ensure that you have a stable network. Check through your notification bar and ensure that you have a stable network. If you have a stable network and the app is still not opening, then reach out to CoinGecko support and you'll be taught on what to do. So this is how to fix the CoinGecko app not working. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.